Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an appeal in the Income Tax Department online. First, ensure you have received the assessment order you wish to appeal. Next, gather all relevant documents, such as bank statements or investment proofs, to support your case. Then, log in to the official income tax e-filing portal and navigate to the e-appeal section to begin the process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth submission. Once in the e-appeal section, you'll need to select the correct assessment year for which you are filing the appeal. Then, choose the appropriate appeal form, typically Form 35, from the available options. It's vital to clearly and concisely state your specific grounds for appeal, explaining why you disagree with the assessment. Finally, attach all necessary evidence and supporting documents to strengthen your submission. Before final submission, carefully review your entire appeal to ensure all details are accurate and complete. If an appeal fee is applicable, you will be prompted to pay it online through the portal. Once reviewed and any fees paid, proceed to submit the completed appeal form electronically. Upon successful submission, you will receive an acknowledgement number, which is essential for tracking the status of your appeal later. After submitting your appeal, you can easily track its status using the acknowledgement number provided. It's a good practice to check the e-filing portal regularly for any updates or communications from the Income Tax Department. If they raise any queries, ensure you respond promptly to avoid delays. Understanding the next steps after a decision is made, whether favorable or not, will help you plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.